Synergy Unveiled: How Housekeeping and F&B Service Dance in Harmony for Hotel Excellence. Welcome back to Housekeeping Monitor channel, where we explore the finer aspects of housekeeping hospitality in the world's most prestigious 5-star establishments. Today, we're delving into a topic that's often overlooked but plays a crucial role in maintaining the seamless operations of a luxury hotel: collaborative efforts between the Food and Beverage Service Department and the Housekeeping Department to support hotel operations. 1. Timely room service delivery. The Food and Beverage Service Department coordinates closely with housekeeping to ensure that room service orders are delivered promptly. Housekeeping informs F&B about room statuses and availability, while F&B ensures that orders are prepared and delivered efficiently. 2. Special requests fulfillment. Whether it's extra towels, specific dietary requests, or room amenities, housekeeping communicates guest requests to the Food and Beverage Service Department, ensuring that special needs are met seamlessly during a guest stay. 3. Room setup for in-room dining. Housekeeping assists F&B by setting up trays, tableware, and any necessary amenities for in-room dining services. This collaboration ensures that guests receive a dining experience that matches the hotel's standards of excellence. 4. Cleanliness standards in dining areas. The Food and Beverage Service Department maintains cleanliness standards in dining areas, but housekeeping plays a supporting role by promptly clearing the dining area. 5. Waste management. Both departments work together to manage waste effectively. Housekeeping ensures that guest rooms have appropriate waste receptacles and handles the disposal of linens and towels. 6. Training and cross-training. Collaborative training programs allow staff from both departments to understand each other's roles and responsibilities better. This cross-training fosters a culture of teamwork and ensures that employees can support each other during peak operational periods. 7. Inventory management. Housekeeping and F&B coordinate on inventory management to ensure that supplies such as linens, cleaning products, and dining utensils are stocked appropriately. Effective communication between departments. 8. Guest communication. Both departments communicate guest feedback and preferences to each other, allowing for personalized service delivery. For example, housekeeping may inform F&B about a guest's preferred dining times or dietary restrictions, enhancing the 9. Collaborative problem solving. When unexpected challenges arise, such as spills in dining areas or guest room maintenance issues, housekeeping and F&B collaborate to resolve them swiftly. This proactive approach minimizes disruptions. To 10. Promotion of special packages. Housekeeping and F&B collaborate on promoting special hotel packages that include dining experiences or room upgrades. By aligning their efforts in marketing and promotions, both departments contribute to driving revenue and enhancing guest satisfaction. Collaborative efforts between the Housekeeping Department and the Food and Beverage Service Department to support hotel operations. 1. Timely room turnover. Housekeeping works closely with the Food and Beverage Service Department to ensure that guest rooms are cleaned promptly after dining to accommodate new guests. This collaboration helps maintain a smooth flow of occupancy. 2. Table setup and clearing. Housekeeping assists the Food and Beverage Service Department by promptly clearing tables after meals and setting them up for the next diners. This collaboration ensures that dining areas remain clean. 3. Supply management. Housekeeping provides essential supplies to the Food and Beverage Service Department, such as clean linens, tablecloths, and napkins. By coordinating inventory needs, both departments ensure. 4. Special events support. During special events or banquets, housekeeping assists with setting up event spaces, including arranging tables, chairs, and decorations. This collaboration ensures that events run smoothly. 5. Guest assistance. Housekeeping staff are often the first point of contact for guests in their rooms. They provide information about dining options, room service, and special promotions, helping to drive F&B revenue while enhancing the guest experience. 6. Cleaning in food preparation areas. Housekeeping supports the Food and Beverage Service Department by ensuring that kitchen areas, storage rooms, and service areas are kept clean and sanitized. This collaboration helps maintain food safety. 7. Lost and found coordination.
Housekeeping manages the hotel's lost and found inventory, including items left behind in dining areas, by collaborating with the Food and Beverage Service Department.
8. Guest feedback sharing. Housekeeping staff collect valuable feedback from guests during room cleaning, including comments about dining experiences. By sharing this feedback with the Food and Beverage Service Department, both teams can identify areas for improvement. 9. Cross-training opportunities. Collaborative training programs allow staff from both departments to learn about each other's roles and responsibilities. This cross-training fosters a deeper understanding of hotel operations. 10. Promotion of dining packages. Housekeeping promotes dining packages and special promotions to guests during their stay, encouraging them to dine at the hotel's restaurants and cafes. This collaboration contributes to increased F&B revenue.
These collaborative efforts between the Food and Beverage Service Department and the Housekeeping Department are essential for maintaining the high standards of service and hospitality expected in a 5-star hotel. Together, we uphold the highest standards of service and hospitality, ensuring that every guest feels welcomed, cared for, and valued throughout their stay. And it's through our collective dedication and teamwork that we elevate ordinary moments into extraordinary memories, setting the stage for moments of joy, connection, and delight. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating journey behind the scenes of our hotel's operations. Remember to like, share, and subscribe Housekeeping Monitor channel for more exclusive insights into the world of luxury hospitality. Until next time, may your travels be filled with warmth, comfort, and unparalleled experiences.